Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. Cheers. If you're craving that classic tuna taste but want to keep it plant-based, this vegan chickpea tuna wrap is about to be your new go-to meal. It's packed with flavor, loaded with protein, and has the perfect balance of creamy, crunchy texture and a little ocean-like magic, along with that savory goodness. The ingredients needed to get this poppin' is a can of chickpeas, black salt, sweet relish, dill relish, red onions, capers, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cashew mayo, and Old Bay. All right, let's get into it. We're going to start with the chickpeas, the star of the show. Mash them up into a food processor, and we're going to pulse them until they're the right texture, not a paste. Now we're going to add it to the bowl, and let's begin to build the flavor. We're going to add those red onions for a little crunch, and then let's bring in the magic. Capers and a splash of the liquid from the capers for that subtle brinky kick. We're going to add dill relish and sweet relish. Yep, we're doing both. Balancing tangy and sweet like a pro. Adding in a squeeze of Dijon mustard to wake up the flavors. And stir it up. And let's begin to season. It's season time. Sprinkle in that Old Bay for the seafood style goodness. And add in a dash of onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper for depth. And here's the secret ingredient, black salt. It's got that light sulfur, giving you that eggy taste. Trust me, a little goes a long way. Then we're going to stir it together for the seasonings to mold. And there you are, chickpea tuna. But we're not quite done yet. We still need to add in that cashew mayo, just a little, because you don't want it to be too moist. There you are. Now let's turn this into the ultimate vegan chickpea tuna wrap. First, we're going to season up our tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, avocados, spinach, and spring mix. Then we're going to add our sun-dried tomato wrap with the spinach and spring mix. Add on those cucumbers with the seasoned tomatoes. And then we're going to add in those red onions. And then you're going to add in your garlic hummus. Spread it on one side of the wrap for that creamy goodness. And then we're going to add our chickpea tuna. Yes, and then we're going to add on our avocados. Looks good. Now we're going to wrap it up. Now that we tuck it and roll it, make sure it's tight. There you go. And now we're going to cut it in half. And there you have it. The perfect vegan chickpea tuna wrap. Garnish it with a little pickle. And there it is. Fresh, flavorful, and satisfying. And you know, I cannot wait to taste it. So stay tuned. Vegan chickpea tuna. Let's taste. I'm telling you, this tastes just like tuna. I keep telling you, to eat healthy, you don't have to miss out on all your favorites. If you like tuna fish, or even if you got a seafood allergy and you like seafood, there's ways to get that taste and that texture. And this here, this tastes just like tuna fish. Just like it. Very good. I am going to give this, as my grandbaby would say, a 10 out of a 10. Bon appetit. And as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.